In this video, I want to show you how to download and upload feedback files in bulk for an assignment in As You Learn. Your first step is to go to your course site and to go to the assignment. So I'm going to click on this one, Assignment 1. Now once you're in the assignment, you can go under the gear and go immediately to download, but I'm going to give you a tip. Before we do that step, I want you to scroll to the bottom, click View All Submissions. Scroll to the bottom. I want you to uncheck Download Submissions in Separate Folders. When you uncheck that, most faculty prefer this, and I'll show you an example. In this video, I only had 2 students submit, but what it would do is create a separate folder for every student in your class, and then you'd have to click again to get to the paper. That's not what most faculty want. By unchecking that box, what I get instead is this, where it just has a folder with all the submissions. So once you've unchecked, go to the top, and then on the breadcrumb trail, just click to get back to the assignment. And now what you would do is go under the gear and choose Download All Submissions. And when you do, you can elect where you want to save that folder of submissions. So off to the side here, this is the example. I've downloaded all the submissions and then I'm ready to start grading them. Well, with zip folders, when you double click, it opens it up and you can click and view the paper. But what you're going to need to do, and it doesn't matter if it's a Microsoft Word or a PDF or Excel, you can do this with any file type when you do the download all submissions. But you are going to need to make a new separate folder with all of these submissions that have your feedback. So what I did in this example, off to the side, I created a brand new folder called Assignment 1. And when I click that, it's really important that you keep the file names the same. Whatever file names it assigned when it downloaded, you need to keep those names. And when you click on this, here I can see I did some highlighting, I added a comment, but that's definitely my feedback file. What I'm going to do now is actually zip that folder. And you can do this on a Mac or a PC. Since I'm working on a PC, I'm just going to right click and choose Send to Compress Zip Folder. That makes a brand new zip folder of just those feedback files. So now what I can do is upload those feedback files all at once for every student. So what you would do is within the assignment, click that View All Submissions. You need to be on this page in order to upload. And then under Grading Action, click the arrow and choose Upload Multiple Feedback Files in Zip. Once you do that, you would just drag over the zip folder and click Import Feedback. It's going to list all the students who have feedback files. Just click Confirm, Continue. And so now when I go to the students, if I click on this grade link, here's their original submission. I can enter a grade. I can write comments, but there's that feedback file, and it's done it for every student. I hope this helps.